Hello and welcome to this A2 Elementary Lesson 36 with me, Kate. Today we're going to be looking at the present continuous. First of all, let's have a look at these three people. Do they look happy or unhappy? Let's look at this gentleman. I'm still in town. I'm waiting for a bus, but there's some kind of problem. All the buses are delayed. I'll be a bit late, I'm afraid. He says, I'm waiting. Let's look here. I'm in town. I didn't catch the bus. I'm walking home because I need some books from the library for my homework. She says, I'm walking. And the final one. I'm still at work, I'm afraid. We've got a bit of a crisis. I'm finishing an important report for my boss. He says, I'm finishing. Okay, let's look at these sentences again. Can you listen and complete the sentence? I'm waiting for a bus. I'm waiting for a bus. Next one. I'm walking home. I'm walking home. And the last one. I'm finishing an important report for my boss. I'm finishing an important report for my boss. Okay, so what are the verbs in these three sentences? We've got waiting, walking, finishing. I'm waiting, I'm walking, I'm finishing. What is the name of the tense? It is, of course, the present continuous. For example, I'm waiting for a bus. We use the present continuous to talk about an action happening now or around now. And the form of the tense uses the verb to be plus ing. I'm waiting for a bus. So here are some more examples. In the positive form, I'm walking. He's walking. In the negative form, she isn't walking. You aren't walking. In the question form, is it walking? Are they walking? And then we have short answers. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay, so which picture does this describe? A, B, or C? He's waiting for a bus. Picture A. He's waiting for a bus. What about the next one? She isn't going home. Picture B. She isn't going home. It isn't raining. That could be A, B, or C. It isn't raining. She's carrying a book. Picture B. She's carrying a book. He's looking at his watch. That's picture A. He's looking at his watch. She's wearing school uniform. That's picture B. She's wearing school uniform. Okay, so let's now look at the spelling rules for the ing form. So most verbs, for example, to wait, which is a regular verb, the rule is we just add ing to the end of that verb. So wait becomes waiting. He's waiting for the bus. Now, if the verb ends in an E, for example, to live, we take away the E and add ing. For example, they're living in Beijing. If we have a short verb that ends in a consonant, vowel, consonant, for example, to sit, we double the final consonant and add ing. She's sitting here. Let's check that. Can we check the spelling of these ing forms? Eat, eating, eating. Buy, buying, buying. Read, reading, reading. Play, playing, playing. Sit, sitting, sitting. Drink, drinking, drinking. Drive, driving, driving. Get, getting, getting. Ride, riding, riding. Clean, cleaning, cleaning. Well done. Okay, so what's he doing? What's he doing? He's cleaning windows. He's cleaning windows. What's she doing? What's she doing? She's eating a croissant. She's eating a croissant. What are they doing? What are they doing? They're playing football. They're playing football. Brilliant, well done. That's it for today. I have a question for you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Leave your answers in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and show your support. And coming next in lesson 37, we will be looking at vocabulary for clothes. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.